When writing an APA paper, there are certain requirements you need to follow. This video will walk you through the process of setting up your APA paper and citing your sources. The first thing to do is format your paper. Start with the title page. Starting on the first line, you will press Enter 10 times to reach the middle of your paper. Then select the center alignment to center your title, your name, along with IPPNS, and Indiana University, Purdue University, Fort Wayne. The title page also tells the reader what the running head will be. A running head is a shortened version of your title and appears at the top of every page of your paper. The running head goes on the left side of your header. You should have the words running head followed by a colon and then your shortened title in all caps. The header will also have your page numbers located on the right side of the header. Now, format the rest of your pages. From here on, your header will just have your shortened title in all caps and the page number on the right side. On your second page of your paper, you will additionally add the title of your paper. It will be on the first line and centered. Your first paragraph will then start on the next line. Your entire paper is double-spaced as well as typed in Times New Roman font. The size of the text is 12. While writing your paper, keep a list of sources. You can cite them in your paper. You will need information like the title, author, the journal the article was published in, the year, and the page numbers you referenced. Any reference you quote or paraphrase must have an in-text citation. After the quote or paraphrase, put the author's last name, the year it was published, and the page number in parentheses, while separating each with a comma. In-text citation alerts your reader to look at your reference list for a full citation. When you mention the author's name in a sentence, include the last name of the author and the year it was published. The year is the only thing that goes in parentheses after the author's last name. Each source cited in your paper must have a corresponding entry on your reference page, and each source on your reference page must be cited in your paper somewhere. On your reference page, you will type out references on the first line of your last page of your paper. This page is solely dedicated to your references only. Your reference page lists your sources alphabetically according to the author's last names. All entries are double-spaced and the second and third lines are indented, also known as hanging indent. Notice that a reference list is not just a list of website addresses. In addition to the URL, you must include the author's name, date, and title. For more information on how to format references, look at your APA Style Handbook or Purdue OWL website. And that's your crash course on formatting APA and citing your paper.
Created using Powtoon.